Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about a tool, domain information gathering tools. There are many tools to get more information about a specific domain. Most common ones are the following. Let's start with NSLOOKUP. NSLOOKUp is a command line tool used to get information about a specific domain. So this is NSLOOKUP. Let us type the domain websource.com. So it has given me the IP address of this domain and so on. Let us try another NSLOOKUP. Lookup. Google.com. So it has listed for me the IP and the name of Google. Can be used to get information about a specific domain, finding IP address in a given domain. So there are also two online tools that are used to gain the domains. Let's search for Whois Nslookup. So this is a common tool that's used to search for get more information about a specific domain. Let us go to google.com. Let's validate. Go. Yeah, it has given you the host record, registrar details, name server details, the IP address, and many more information about Google. So this tool can be used to perform the NSLOOKUP. And that's it for today. Thanks for viewing. See you next time.